finally with their final technical demo of the day. It's Friday, closing day at Interski 2019 here at Pomperovo, Bulgaria. This is our big day. It's early in the morning, it's 9 a.m. We're out here doing our 2 passes of the technical demos, highlighting short and medium radius turns and what we value in our country.
It was the first time we've ever had an all-woman run. The gals we have on this team, they earned their spots, and to have that many women to put together a group was a first for the US and a first for Interski. I don't know if that's been done. Interski it's a big deal. It's a big event. In the big scope of things, it's not well known. It's for elite ski teachers to come together and guide the industry, how we fit in as educators in the grand scheme. Memorable moments start the minute you land in a strange place on the other side of the world. I don't think it's possible to evaluate the meaning of this event. It's what drives the teams to create and look for new stuff and ways to put things together. So directly or indirectly, everybody benefits from this experience.
Interski has been unreal. You know, this is an event you hear about and look forward to attending as a team member. You know, a couple of the highlights for me, one was opening night representing the United States and riding down with our whole team and with all of the crowd cheering. I got to the bottom and it was a little emotional, like getting that experience of representing our country and showing what our team can do and being part of this one team of PSIA and AASI. And then, you know, the rest of the week it's been socializing, getting to know these countries. I mean, what an amazing opportunity to get to see the best of the best from all over the world and hear what they're working on and hear the common problems and issues, challenges and opportunities that are facing both the ski and the snowboard industry across the world. And it's just been one of those experiences that I'll never forget, and I'm looking forward to being in Finland for 2023 Interski as well.
All right, what a week. Tons of learning, great sharing. Already starting to think ahead of what we can do to take our association forward and what we can do for Interski and the future of snow sports and the growth of snow sports. We just finished up with the final runs. All the teams dropped one more time for the closing ceremony. And then all countries side by side, everybody dropped all at once, a massive short turn festival down the demo slope. Been a really long week, jam-packed with all kinds of excitement. Interski 2019, Pomperovo, Bulgaria. Thank you very much.